Hey buddy, this is our blind goat Daredevil. He absolutely loves people. He's a bottle baby, so he's getting used to people petting on him and loving on him and all that. Come here, buddy. Hi. He's like a cat almost. Hi, little guy. You're a good boy. He's really happy. Good boy. You're a good boy. He's about between 2 and 3 months old. He just kind of puts his head up against my leg. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Daredevil, say hi. Now you're looking for a bottle? You're a good boy. Good boy. Yeah. You're always hungry, huh? Good boy. Hi, buddy.